Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is Python tutorial series for absolute beginners. I hope you have gone through the first 3 episodes where we have done the introduction, installation and the standard Hello World program. By now your environment is ready, your development editor is ready and you're good to fire in there. That being said, let's get started with today we are learning how to add comments in Python. Before we get started, I want to thank you for your continued support to me and my channel. I have recently launched full stack interview series kit that every developer must have to prepare. It has more than 30 plus technologies PDFs that you will get. Get your copy at arctutorials.gumroad.com. Alright, so today we are learning about comments. How to add comments in Python. Let's get started. So to add a single line comment, you will add hash in front of it. If you want to add multi-line comment, you will use double quotes. That's the starting. You need both. I'll show you that in just a bit. And to run, as always, we have seen in the previous episode as well, you'll type Python followed by the file name. Important thing to know, all the file names must end with .py. Okay. Now that being said, let's jump right into code. Alright, so we have this hello world.py that we have worked in the last episode. So we are going to modify and add one more print hello from Arc Tutorials community. I told you semicolon is not required, so don't add that. To add a single line comment, just add the hash in front of it. That green line means it's commented. Now let's go ahead and run this program. You'll type Python 3 followed by the file name, which is hello world.py. Okay, that is how you add comments, and you see only this line got executed and we are seeing the output hello from Arc Tutorials. In the last episode I told you if you add space it will error. You see it has become red. That means spaces are not allowed in Python. We use indentation. That means we hit the tab if you want. Okay, but not here for the blocks. We'll come to that as we cross, but understand no spaces allowed, no semicolon, that is also not required. Okay, now this is how you add a single line comment. Now let's say you have many lines that you want to comment. Alright, so now we have this 3. When I execute, I'll see comment 1, 2 and 3. You don't want this. So you'll start with double quotes and you will again add one more. Take that and paste it at the end, closing. So double quotes are required 2 times. Okay, that's important. You put the double quotes, then you add again double quotes and then take it out. Alright, so basically 3 strings is what you will add. Okay, now these 3 can be even single quotes like this, but make sure you're opening and closing the same strings, literals. Okay, so let's go back here. This comment is comments tutorial part 4. Number 1, you can add single line comment with hash. You can add multi line comment with 3 strings, opening and close it accordingly wherever you want it. Okay, that's the main thing that you have to learn. 3 strings for opening, 3 strings for closing. Whatever is in between will be commented out. Run this and you will not see that. For single line, only hash. Okay, just get this, practice this. I will make sure that you become an expert in Python step by step. Thank you so much for joining in this episode. In the next episode, we are going to learn string manipulation. That's the basic thing I can start you with in order to make you learn and master Python with me. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next episode.